Hey, so does Tik Tok Shop integrate with QuickBooks Online? Well, the answer is yes, and there's a really cool connector app that can help you integrate between the two. It's called Link My Books, and in the description of the video, you're gonna find a free trial of Link My Books, plus a special link for free onboarding, plus great discount to save money on Link My Books, and tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of it. So Tik Tok Shop integration, Link My Books can help you sync Tik Tok Shop payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, ensuring all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes are accurately accounted for. So basically, Link My Books is like accounting and bookkeeping software, accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. All the useful links are in the description. Free trial, free onboarding, best discount, and the tutorial videos. Now, another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers that are managing e-commerce sellers. So if you are an e-commerce seller, then down in the description of the video, you're going to find a link to this next video where myself, great to meet you, Vova, Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z and how to make the most out of it if you're an e-commerce seller. Now, if you're an accountant and bookkeeper, and in this case, again, you can use Link My Books to manage your e-commerce clients, we have prepared another video for you. You're going to find it down in the description. Again, myself, Vova, Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, co-founder of Link My Books. In this video, in this 41-minute tutorial, we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. From A to Z, we explain everything and how you can gain the most out of it if you're a bookkeeper or an accountant. So again, if you're looking to sync Tik Tok Shop with QuickBooks Online, Link My Books can be a great tool for you. Check out free trial in the description with free onboarding. So the guys from Link My Books will help you and make sure that you understand how to use it, how it can benefit you. And it's all free. Check it out in the description. And there's a great discount code that helps you save a lot of money with Link My Books. And the tutorial videos are also in the description for you. Have an awesome day. Be well. Keep going. Let's go.